Alright guys, we did the initial cleaning right now. Now we are at Bullet's garage and we're going to be using the pressure washer to get all the dirt off from these crevices. And I'm going to overlay already what I recorded doing this, so we'll play that first and then we'll come back to right now where we are. Alright, so I'm just going to take this cover off, and this is the inner workings of an oil pump. And essentially, from my understanding how this works, your crankshaft actually spins this gear right here. It's got this slit for the keyways, I believe, and as your crankshaft is rotating, it's actually moving and pumping. Let me see if I can do this the right way. Yeah. As the crankshaft's spinning, this is moving oil. It's pretty much coming in from one way, getting pushed out another way. And there's a system here that works on a spring and a piston, and that creates the pressure and maybe pushes it up to the other components of the engine that may need it. So I'm gonna again clean this up. Everything looks pretty dang good on this oil pump, aside from, you know, it being completely worn out and dirty. The gears themselves look good. I don't see no scarring that's obvious or anything like that. Alright guys, it happened again. Completely soaked, just like the last time when we were cleaning the head. I guess you can't get around these kind of things, but we got everything cleaned up for the most part. I took the gears out, took this apart, cleaned it. There's still some specks of staining from the oil, but for the most part greatly improved. And once it dries, we're gonna reassemble this, put a little bit of lube on the gears themselves so they can go in there nice and smooth, and we will be done. Alright guys, we got everything assembled back into place. We got the gears lubed up right now. So this is the piston that I was telling you guys about earlier. This pretty much goes into this location, and what it does is moves up and down, and when it's closed, it won't allow oil to come through, and if it's open, it allows oil to come through and circulate. So we're just going to reinstall all of this, cap off the oil pump again, and then the oil pump will be good to go. As you can see, we cleaned it up pretty dang well. So if you guys want to comment down anything down below, please comment down below. You guys, what do you guys think about reusing oil pumps, huh? Comment everything down below, guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. I ain't here for the